Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Witcher 3 on Android. First, you'll need a reliable internet connection, ideally a 5 GHz Wi-Fi network or a strong 5G mobile data connection for optimal performance. We'll explore how cloud gaming services allow you to stream this expansive open-world adventure directly to your phone or tablet. This method bypasses the need for powerful local hardware, making it accessible to nearly everyone with a compatible device and a good connection. To begin, select a popular cloud gaming service like NVIDIA GeForce Now or Xbox Cloud Gaming, which often includes The Witcher 3. Download their dedicated app from the Google Play Store. Once installed, open the app and follow the prompts to create an account or login. Some services require you to own the game on a supported PC platform, like Steam or GOG, and link your library to stream it. Ensure your subscription is active for uninterrupted access. For the best experience, connect a Bluetooth controller to your Android device. Most modern controllers, like an Xbox wireless controller or a PlayStation DualSense, pair easily through your phone's Bluetooth settings. Once connected, open the cloud gaming app and select The Witcher 3 from your library. The game will launch on the remote server and stream to your device. You can then use your physical controller to navigate menus and play, just as you would on a console. To truly optimize your Witcher 3 experience on Android, always prioritize a strong and stable internet connection. A 5 GHz Wi-Fi network is generally superior to 2.4 GHz for streaming. Also, close any unnecessary background apps on your phone to dedicate more resources to the game. Using a good pair of headphones will significantly enhance the immersive audio, allowing you to fully appreciate the rich sound design of the game. Enjoy your adventures as Geralt of Rivia.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.